You hungry? Let's make a snack. Now into this pressure cooker, I've got some sweet potatoes with a little bit of water. I'm gonna start by adding in some sugar. All right, to that sugar, I've got a cinnamon stick, ground nutmeg, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of ground allspice. All right, and I don't know about you, but we need a little bit of butter. So candied yams in 5 minutes only with the Darius Cooks pressure cooker. Now let's make the cake. With all my ingredients at room temperature, let's add in some cream cheese. Now, you know you can't do this without butter, right? So I'm gonna add 2 sticks of butter at room temperature. And then it's 3 cups of sugar, and then we'll let this cream together for 5 minutes. You just wanna make sure you scrape down the sides of the bowls before you add the eggs. Speaking of eggs, I got 5 of them. Let's drop these bad boys right in. I'm gonna add in a little bit of allspice, and I'm adding in a little bit of ground nutmeg, and let's do a little bit of ground cinnamon. Now, we're gonna add a little pinch of salt in here and some baking powder. Not soda, but baking powder. Then it's gonna be your all-purpose flour, 4 cups. Let's go. So that we get a really moist cake, I'm gonna add in a cup of buttermilk. Now for the assembly. Cake, candy yams, cake, candy yams. Let's do it. You know what this needs, right? A crumble. 2 sticks of butter. Let's add in some brown sugar. And then I'm gonna add in some all-purpose flour. You just wanna give it a mix until crumbles form, and then we can put the crumbles right on top of the pound cake. 325 degrees, an hour and 20 minutes. We'll see you then. My cake is cooled a little bit, but I can't wait. So I'm gonna make a glaze. I got a little bit of powdered sugar in here. I'm gonna add in some vanilla. And then to that, one of my favorite ingredients, a little bit of Hennessy. I'm gonna get the cake out. It's still warm, so I'm gonna use a paper towel and grab it. Isn't she beautiful? All right, let's pour over that glaze. As you can see, I just really couldn't wait for it to cool all the way off. A little warmth is always nice. So now all you gotta do is bow your head and say grace. Grace. Mm.